Hello friends, this is Dr. Simran. Today I'm going to teach you fire cupping. It's a wonderful therapy. Just have a look about the things required. Initially we require some sanitizer, some oil and matchstick, cotton swab and different sizes of glass that cups we use. The glass cup, this is of small size, like medium sizes are there. According to the different areas on which we are going to do the fire cupping, we choose the different sizes of cups. Here I am going to show you on the abdomen. So abdominal cups we can take medium to large sizes, and then we take that metal stick and on that we wrap up the cotton and put the sanitizer to make it more alcoholic so that it catches the fire whenever we perform the fire cupping. A little extra I have done, so we can keep it a little aside and then we can show you what the next steps are for the fire cupping. So this was about the things required. Now just make sure that you keep all the things close to the treatment area so that all the things are under your reach, because you have to do it fastly when you are with the fire. Okay, so the first step is just oiling the area to be treated. So I'm going to treat here abdomen. So I am just putting the oil all over the abdomen. If I find it is less, I can make it more oily if I want to do dynamic cupping. Like I am going to show you dynamic fire cupping as well in this video, so I am applying a little more oil. But if you are doing static cupping, the oil quantity can be reduced. It's up to you. Now I have applied the oil particularly all over sides and the middle of the abdomen. Now my next step will be the fire. On that stick which I took with the sanitizer, I'll just put the matchstick and put the fire on. When this fire is on, this will create the vacuum suction. Okay, so that cup will stick to your skin automatically, and that means the client's skin automatically. I have just kept the fire under the cup and then it sticks automatically. Okay, the negative pressure is created and the cup sticks to the abdomen automatically. See, all the cups we can choose the area according to the need, and for that you need to know the assessment and everything, but the basic procedure of applying particularly is shown in this video. Understand the assessment as well, and to learn the assessment we can also go for more conversation like that. Then and there after this we can do dynamic cupping like I am doing right now, just maintaining that vacuum suction. I'm just going left and right. We can just drape a cotton towel on this so that even the cups will not fall, and secondly the patient will also feel the comfort with the towel. Okay, once more I'll show you dynamic. See, I'm moving left and right, maintaining the suction, and then we can cover the towel, and this can be kept for 15 minutes, and according to the need again it varies, 5 minutes to 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes have been passed, you can just slowly take off the thing. So this was about fire cupping. Now I'll show you dynamic cupping once more. After this we'll just keep these cups for 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes as per your the requirement of the patient. We can just rotate these cups here and there, left and right, forward and backward, so that the abdominal skin is being stretched, the fascia is being stretched, and this will give you automatically good results. So now the procedure of taking them off, slowly and steadily just take them off from the sides. Okay, just rotate like this, dynamic cupping. You can do it slowly or fastly. Again, how to do is again dependent upon the assessment, so you need to know how to do it, but the procedure is shown like left and right. You can go, you can keep it also static cupping, and dynamic is mobility. This will create redness also. The circulation will also enhance in that area. Blood circulation enhances, fascia is being stretched, so elongated skin is there so that you don't feel the discomforts. If your fascia is elongated, the stomach organs also get more space to breathe in. Okay, so our automatically oxygen intake is increased, circulation is increased, so we feel better after this. And even it's very good to reduce your constipation as well. pain relief is also there. So these were the glass cups. Fire cupping is done. So I hope you like this. This was really good for all the abdominal viscera, even the pelvic floor, and intestine, colon, all these liver problems. These all people find it very interesting and very nice. I hope you like this video and apply it to all your patients. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.